Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Facebook on the recently version of Facebook. All we need to do is go into Facebook right here, and then we'll be in our account. So we go ahead and go to the menu on the bottom right. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to our settings by clicking on the gear icon on the top right here. And then we're gonna be going into the Meta Accounts Center. Go ahead and click on See More in Account Center right there. And then we're gonna scroll down until we see Password and Security. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now we have the option to change password. So let's click on this, and then you choose the account that we want to make the changes to. So we have one account right here, and then go ahead and type in your current password, add in the new password, and retype in the new password as well. So do bear in mind that, as you can see here, you need at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters as well. Once that you have made those changes, you can go ahead and click change password, and your password would have changed. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.